Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Little Curves. If I look drowsy, sleepy, please ignore just because I got up from sleep and I'm shooting this video. And today I am going to review this packet. Okay, so this is Everyuth Tan Removal Kit. This is a pure and light kit. Okay, and today I am going to use it as my night routine. Just a small thing about it, it has a scrubber, then it has a face pack, then it has a tan removal serum, then a night cream, and plus it has SPF loaded cream like sunblock cream also. So the sunblock cream I'm going to use it during the morning time, but the other products are mainly for the night time. I got it from Amazon. The link will be down in the description box, so do check it out. And this was for 699 rupees. Okay, it's a very good affordable package. You can use it also, like in case if you want to, you can just use it as a cleanup sort of thing. Okay, and it really is good. Like, it has the best thing which attracted me towards this pack was the chocolate in it. You all know that I'm a chocolate lover when it comes to skincare. I love applying chocolate to my skin and it gives that glow to my skin. So this was the only thing which attracted me. Everyuth scrubbers are really like the best scrubbers, I would say, and they were the oldest scrubber launch in India. Okay, so I love their scrubbers, so I thought that you should give it a try. Okay, and now let's get started. So the first thing which I'm using onto my face is scrubber, and this is a chocolate scrubber. It has like the granules in it are not very hurting. They're not very, what do you say, big in size. And even one thing is that the texture of this scrubber, like the cream and the scrubber, is not very creamy, but at the same time it exfoliates your skin very nicely. The main thing is the chocolate fragrance. I am loving it. It helps to clear up your skin, removes the dead cells and everything, and it is quite affordable also. Like, you get it individually also in the market. I have used the whole packaging, but you get it individually also, and it's really very good. Like, Everyuth scrubbers are really amazing. Now comes the next thing which I have applied. This is the Everyuth Pure and Light Tan Removal Face Pack. Now, one thing which I did not like is that it is too thick, and you should, if you have a sensitive skin, you can add some cold milk in it. It will really be better. And for a sensitive skin, it's not so good because it gives that tiny little what do you say, burning sensation. So it's really not nice. So it's better, like, in case if you have a very sensitive skin, I would tell you to do a patch test. But it is really very good. It lightens the tan, like, it really made my face glow, but at the same time it doesn't make your face dry, which most of the face pack does. So that's really good. Your skin feels soft and nourished after that, and that's it. It has some bleaching effects, like, therefore it gives that burning sensation to your face. Like, for my face it did. Now comes the third product, and this is the serum. The serum is really very nice. It's not very liquidy in consistency, but it is good and easy to blend. It is easy to blend and it doesn't vanish off as you massage your face. It's good. It gives a shine to your face, and I have been using it. Like, I am doing this night routine every day, and I can find a kind of change into my face, and I'm really loving these products. So these products are really good when you want to do a good night routine, which is very essential during this festive season. Then comes the last thing, like, in your night routine, is the night cream. The night cream is really very nice. It's a kind of thick in consistency, but very very good onto your skin. Please, this is one mistake which I have done. I have taken a lot of cream onto my hands, so please don't do that. Just take tiny bits of it so that you can easily blend it onto your face. And this cream is really good for dry skin because it nourishes your skin. It gives that oiliness, like, the kind of moisturizing elements you need for your dry skin. So it was good for me, especially onto my nose area, which is totally so dry. So it was really very good applying this cream. And the next day when I got up after applying, I did not feel that greasiness or any pimple onto my face. So that was really very good. Usually when you use extra oil onto your face, it tends to become a pimple later. So that did not happen, and for which I'm very happy. Now comes the last product, that is the sunblock cream, which I use it in the morning. This was when I was doing a get ready and have used it. It has SPF 30, which helps to prevent tanning. It completely moisturizes your skin, as well as it is a sunblock cream. So both the things are done together. And I did not apply anything after this. Like, I just kept my skin neutral. So it was really very good. It's pretty affordable. So it's really very good. Very handy dandy, so that you can keep it into your purse and just apply it. So this cream comes as an extra bonus into this package. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Do subscribe to my channel, hit the button like, and stay tuned for more and more videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.